And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
The clouds thicken tonight, and this will just be virga at first, or snow that's drying up on the way down. By around 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, some snow begins to come in, especially over the northwest half of the viewing area. This is around 8:30, and this is around noon tomorrow. Still snow around, especially out this way in our viewing area, but then it tends to go to kind of a mix of rain and snow and even just drizzle by the afternoon hours to early evening. But then after that, and after some perhaps even a few areas of fog, look what happens. We kind of go back to snow later on in the evening with a little batch of snow coming through. So that passes on. A little bit of lulling tomorrow night, a few snow showers, and then the snow picks back up on Wednesday. Scattered snow showers increasing. This is noon. And then a pretty broad area of snow pivots through the area late afternoon and into the evening with some more accumulation. And then a few scattered snow showers Thursday, a few on Friday with unseasonably cold weather. And then beyond that, we will warm up. It's going to be quite cold right through the weekend, but we're going to suddenly warm up very rapidly around Thanksgiving, and I do think around Thanksgiving we'll actually get rain and not snow. So that said, for tomorrow morning, the snowfall, and right up to about noon, 1 inch or less over a good chunk of the area. Still, it'll slicken things up a little bit through the morning, but 1 to 2 inches Fowler, Tabb, Pence, and Stewart, all the way up to Remington, Rensselaer, also around Wheatfield and Roselawn, back to Enos, the Beaver Lake area, and around Kentland and Earl Park. And then a little more snow in the evening may put down another dusting. But between those two times, there'll be a lot of melting, because remember, we're going to be warming up tomorrow into the 30s. Now, Wednesday, the snow picks back up late afternoon and into the evening, and temperatures fall a little bit. So this will accumulate another 1 to 2 inches. Fowler, north of Attica. This includes Rainsville and Pine Village, all the way to Chalmers, Wolcott, Winnemac, westward here, all the way to Brook and around the Morocco area. And then the rest of the area, it is 1 inch or less. So to kind of summarize all this, and then notice the highest amounts, 2 to 4 in the far north. Some slippery travel in the morning, then everything melts. A little bit of slippery travel tomorrow night, early Wednesday morning, then we get melting. And then slippery travel returns late Wednesday and Wednesday night to Thursday morning. All right, there are the highs tomorrow, 35 to 38. The snow, then kind of changing to a mix or just drizzle, areas of fog, and then the snow in the evening. Note the high of 37, winds east-northeast, and the highs mid to upper 30s. On Wednesday, 33 to 36, but then falling a little bit later on in the day, and a few scattered snow showers increase to steady snow by evening, becoming breezy, and we drop from a high of 35 down to 32 by evening. And there you see the highs at 33 to 36 viewing area wide, when the normal high is 51. And we're at 24 for a high Friday, 13 Friday night. Cold for the weekend. Northwesterns in town. It's a cold Saturday. Back to 35 on Monday.